What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today we are looking at the Wedge Charge case. Now this is an extremely durable 6-part charging case for wedge style lights like our RockWedge LED and the Chauvet EZwedge Tri. So if you already have 6 wedge style PAR lights and you're looking for a way to transport and charge them from gig to gig, this is the case that'll let you do that. Let's open this up and see what's inside. So right on the front you can see we have the 2 butterfly locks, so I'll unlock them, open it up. So you'll see we have 6 different slots. Each of those have high density shock proof foam. Now each slot can hold a light with the dimensions of 8 inches high by 6.7 inches long and 4.9 inches wide. You'll notice the top of the lid is also super padded, which is going to keep your LEDs protected during transport. We also include 12 different square foam pieces, 2 for each slot, so you can get your light fitting nice and snug if it doesn't already. Over here in the center we have our charging cable, which plugs into the front of the case over here. And through the center of the case we have our power strip where you would plug in the 6 different lights to charge them. So let me show you how you would charge your lights right now. Alright, so I have 6 different RockWedge LEDs, both white and black. Since they fit perfectly in the case, I'm going to take the square foam pieces out. Take one light, plug in the included charging cable that comes with the RockWedge LED, and then you're going to put it into one of the charging slots. You're gonna push it in so it's nice and snug. Now take the male end and you plug that into the center power strip over here. Then if you want, you can tuck the cable in this extra space back here. All right, I'm gonna repeat the process 5 more times now. After all 6 lights are plugged into the center, you're gonna wanna make sure that your main charging cable that's going out of the case is plugged into your wall, and then you're going to press the power on button right over here. Once I do that, all the charging light indicators come on my RockWedge LEDs to show me that they are charging. Now this is super important. Anytime you are charging your wedge lights, you need to make sure that this top lid is open so that your lights can get proper ventilation. Let's talk about some of the other features on this case right now. You'll notice at the top there's these grooves over here, and that's because the case is stackable. So you could transport easily 1 or 2 of these cases and just roll them with the included wheels on the bottom. Now the 4 wheels are all swivel wheels, which gives increased maneuverability around corners and through hallways. And 2 of the wheels are also locking wheels, so you can push down on them and lock them in place while you're setting up or charging. There's also 2 carry handles on each side, which makes transporting very easy to do. The case itself is extremely durable, made from plywood and aluminum. It can take a beating and still protect your lights. We actually did our own drop test to see how good it would protect our lights. Let me show you now. All right guys, we are outside. I actually have the case here and I have 6 PAR lights inside of it. I want to show you they are all on and working. So this is something you've probably run into in your experience. You know, you're traveling, you're moving all your equipment, all of a sudden, you know, you forget about it for a second and it just falls over. But luckily, because this is an extremely durable case, we got nothing to worry about. The lights are perfect condition, all working great. So the Wedge Charge case is a great way to protect and transport your wedge style lights while also charging them efficiently. The Wedge Charge case is a great option if you're a DJ or you have an entertainment company or you're just looking for an easy way to transport and charge your lights. As always guys, I'm Mike from Rockville. I'll see you next time.